Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday, May 22nd, and I am about to go pick up my mom from the airport. I'm still in Bozeman, Montana, and I cannot wait to see my mom. If you saw the last video, you will have seen that I was a little homesick and just going through some changes, so call my mom, and my mom is the best person ever. She is my best friend, and she bought a ticket out to Bozeman to come see me and travel with me for a little bit, so I cannot wait to take you guys along. I think we're gonna head down south a little bit to Utah, so it should be an amazing week with her. I cannot wait to see her. So yeah, I'm gotta pick her up in about 15 minutes. I'm gonna drive to the airport and I will see you guys then. Alrighty guys, I got my mom!
Oh, my baby! I missed her.
I'm so excited to have her here in Bozeman. We are gonna go into the grocery store and grab some groceries, and then
and drinks.
And drinks. And then I think we're gonna head to Main Street, grab some food, hang out. It's kind of rainy-ish weather today, and then tomorrow is supposed to snow up here, so I think we're gonna just wait it out. And then Sunday, literally the whole Pacific Northwest is clearing up, the sun is coming out, so we're gonna head down somewhere then. But I'm so happy to have her here.
Missed my girl.
I missed her. A month apart is like the longest we've really gone since I was in high school, or since I graduated high school into Europe.
Awful.
So very excited to have her. But time to go pick up some groceries and some booze.
If you make, but I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see, or fade into a memory. It's an obsession that is much too.
Alrighty guys, it is dinner time. We had an awesome day. We went to like Main Street, got lunch there, got some tea, went to the park, hung out with Grace, played a little bit, and now we're gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna whip up some stir-fry ramen-ish kind of thing. Got broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red pepper, onion, garbanzo beans, and some ramen. This says beef, I just don't use the flavoring. It's a cheap hack that I have found. So I'm gonna whip up some dinner, and I'm gonna have it done in 3, 2, 1. Dinner! It's all done. This is probably what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. We're probably gonna go hiking if it's not snowing too hard, so I will see you guys then. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. It is 7 o'clock. Mom, how was your first night in the van?
It was good. Very comfy.
It is cold out. It is also raining out, and I think we're gonna go grab some coffee. We ate some breakfast. We're eating some avocado toast with, you know, all the mix-ins, nutritional yeast.
Shell, your favorite everything bagel seasoning.
Yes.
I came to see my girl.
Red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, the usual. And we're gonna head to Target soon, pick up some things for the van, and watch movies all day, read a book, and then I think we're gonna get some dinner tonight at a pizza place, and then tomorrow morning head off on our adventure because it's supposed to clear up everywhere tomorrow and finally be warm, so I am chasing that sunshine, man.
We need sun.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love you.
Alrighty guys, it is Saturday night, and I'm with my best friend Jenna and my lovely mother, Stacy.
Hi there.
We are about to leave tomorrow morning to hit the road to go adventure a little bit, so of course we had to end the night with some pizza and wine and beer, and we are outside the pizza place in the van because it's shut down because of Corona, and we are just having a great time, ready to hit the road tomorrow. I'm like itching to get out again, and we are headed to Idaho, and I will see you guys then. Alright, bye.
Bye. Bye.
We have finally arrived to our camp spot. We're whipping up some avocado bagels, and I was here about 2 weeks ago, and it is still just one of my favorite spots. It is absolutely beautiful. Check it out, you guys.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind.
The sun has finally come out. We're literally in sports bras. It's like so warm and amazing. We just got a fire going as well. And I'm gonna do some yoga. Get some zen in my life because I haven't done yoga in a few days because it's just been really shitty weather. But the sun is out, time for some yoga. I've got dinner made. We have the Beyond Burger patty, Brussels sprouts sauteed with onions. We have naan with some hummus on top, lettuce, and it is gonna be amazing. About to crush it. Mom, what has been your favorite part of living in the van thus far?
Aside from spending time with you, just getting to be out here and beautiful, beautiful scenery. It's amazing. I mean, take a look around. It's breathtaking. There's no words for it. It's so beautiful.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Had a lovely morning so far, coffee, breakfast, all the works. We are gonna go try to walk around the whole lake today, and it's so beautiful out. The sun is finally out. I'm so happy. It's supposed to be sunny most of the day, so we're just gonna enjoy the hell out of it. Well, y'all, we made it to the top. We went on a little adventure and ended up on top of a hill. It's me out of breath.
Very steep hill.
Definitely kicked our ass, but I mean, you really cannot beat this view. It's
amazing.
It's freaking amazing. Time to go make some lunch, baby. Alrighty, guys, the hike was amazing. We ended up doing around 5.5 miles. Knee feels great, and we're gonna whip up some tacos for lunch. We've got vegan meat, like the vegan ground beef. We've got refried beans, the salsa mix, peppers, onions, salad, and some tortillas. And we're gonna whip it up. See how they are. Pretty fire. Alrighty, guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are headed down south about 2 hours tomorrow morning, and then we're gonna be in Utah. Gonna go hiking and just get some sun. It's just been windy all day here, so we've been kind of laying low, besides that awesome hike that we had this morning. But I hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.